So you can check out the prices of some meals here. This is a great example. This is a big thing here in Japan, these sort of plastic meals that they put out. Apparently there's quite a big industry for it, but really good for travelers. As you can see here, 850 yen for some kind of vegetable dish, 950 for this one. You can see chicken skewers here for about $7. You know, here, large piece of fried fish or baked fish, or I'm not sure what that is. $9.60 for some fried dumplings. About 10 bucks for this tempura. $14, $15. So this gives you a really good idea of approximately what food out at a restaurant is going to cost you. I have seen it. It looks like tofu. I have seen it cheaper than this. You know, for comparable dishes. For instance, you know, you see chicken skewers like this for, you know, sort of 400 to 500, but they don't get much cheaper, to be honest. You can't really see that back there. So over here, yeah, tempura for 1100. I don't think you can see that. So yeah, it's you know, pretty expensive. It's kind of like being in Europe or in North America somewhere. Oh, here's a little market here. Gives you an idea, sort of prices for fresh vegetables and produce and stuff. Which, yeah, this isn't too bad actually. Broccoli for $1.50, corn for 200. It's $2 about, if you're on the American dollar, that is. Bananas for 100. Yeah, watermelon for nearly $7 here. But yeah, that's basically, oh, here's some more breakfast food, more Western kind of. You can see some kind of, I don't know, roast beef sandwich or something for 900. Other sandwiches, some pancakes. Although there's no prices, but in my experience, a place like this, pancakes like this are going to cost you around $10. So, you know, these sandwiches are you know, pushing $9, $9. So, oh, the people around here are awesome. Oh, here are the prices. Oh, that's actually quite good. It's only about $6 for pancakes. Oh, I gotta remember this one, because this is I have not seen pancakes this cheap anywhere, so I'll have to remember that. Maybe for tomorrow morning. But yeah, so it's not the budget traveler's best friend, this city, but it is a wonderful city, and I highly recommend it. Really neat, lots of cool stuff around here. Lots of cool neighborhoods, so definitely check it out if you have the means, or even just to stop over and just take the hit for a few days. It's really just a really cool, funky kind of city. So thanks for watching. I'll check you later.